If you have yogurt at home, I'll show you 2 frozen desserts to prepare. If you don't, I'll tell you how to do it in 3 steps. And make it easy! I prepared this one yesterday. First, pour 800 milliliters of cold milk into the Kefir Yogurt Maker and heat in the microwave for 7 minutes. Let the milk cool for 30 minutes and add the yogurt. Finally, let it ferment for 8 hours. Let's go with the recipes. The first one is super easy. Just pour the yogurt into a rectangular mold, add granola and seasonal fruits. Melt the chocolate. I use this container and spread it on top. Take it to the freezer and in a few hours it's ready to enjoy. Oh! The second one is a red fruit smoothie. Yummy! And super healthy! Add the plain yogurt with the banana and frozen berries. Blend until you get a texture like this. And ready to enjoy! Do you like yogurt dessert? Which other yogurt recipes do you want me to try? I will read you in the comments!